Hello everyone, welcome to the Python Now YouTube channel. The next two videos will be dedicated to strings and operations that can be done with them. As you may recall, string in Python is a data type. If you still don't know what data types are, I recommend to watch our video linked in the top right corner. Today, in this video, we will talk about various operations that can be used to work with strings, such as creation, concatenation, and formatting. And in the next video, we will cover string methods and their slicing. So let's get started. To create a string, you need to use the same type of quotes. They can be single, double, or triple. If we create a string with different quotes, we will get an error. Let's look at example below. Here we create the variable myString using different quotes. In the first, second and third examples, we use different types of quotes. If we try to print each of them, we will get the same output. If we try to print myString4, we will get an error because this string has different quotes. Triple-double quotes are often used for commenting code, but they can also be used to create a string because they support multi-line, as you may see in the last example. By printing myString5, we will get the following output. You can also write quotes inside of a string by using either a different type of quotes or a backslash to ignore them inside of a string. For example, if we use external double quotes, we add single quotes inside and vice versa. Now let's talk about string concatenation. You will often use it in your day-to-day work, and in simple terms it means join one string to another. The simplest ways to try it is to use the addition operator, the plus sign. In this example, we concatenate strings Python plus is plus awesome. By printing this variable, we will get the same output as if we would use single string. In Python, when working with strings, we can also use the multiplication operator to multiply the string by the required number of times. Let's look at example. An important feature of strings is the built-in length function, which stands for the length. It allows you to determine the number of characters in a string, which is often a crucial check in your work. To use this function, simply write the word length followed by the string, wrapped in parentheses, as shown in the example. As a result, we will receive a number indicating quantity of characters in the string, including spaces. Finally, let's discuss string formatting. You will often come across situations where you need to insert some values or data obtained during the program execution into a string. To accomplish this, you can use the fstring method. Let's look at example. First, we create two variables, name and age, and then create third variable using fstring, where we indicated the value of the name variable should be substituted with value Alex and age with value 30. The Python interpreter will understand this and automatically substitute these values. It's also worth noting that sometimes you may come across older formatting methods. They perform the same function, but the notations look a little different. Strings are an essential data type that you will frequently work with when writing your programs. I recommend constant practice, so I will add some practical tasks, as always, in the description below this video. Don't forget to give a thumb up and see you in the next video.